Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know how to create a background like the following, a beehive. Okay, so we will know how to create the things and how to control the number of bees we have over there, how to control the speed, the direction of the bees, also the randomness of the bees. Also I will link the code and the background images over here, like this background and the bee background, the bee image in the description. So first of all, what you will need, let's go to the place here. What you will need a background, or any background you need it, like this or any type, and a picture of a bee. Then you will search about some library which is called Particles.js. This Particles.js is easy to access that library. Just write in the Google Particles.js download, and you will find the first link, the second link, and the GitHub. Download it and extract it over here. We have discussed how to download and how to extract and how to install this library in the first lesson of this series. So first of all, I will create, I will copy and paste this element over here, only that file which is Particles.js. Then I will go to the editor. I will create over here an HTML, empty HTML. I'll call it, for example, bee background. Let's see, beehive. Okay, so then I will say okay, and I will enter that HTML file opened. Okay, over here. So now we have an empty file. Okay, empty HTML file. I will go here. I will link the the JavaScript over here, that we have it over there. I will link it over here. I will see the script, and I will link the script. I will see this RC, the source or the URL of the file equal, and here I will see P, Particles.js. Great. Then I will create another JavaScript file which would be empty, and I will add my own code. I will see JavaScript file, and I will see let's see custom code. Okay, custom code. Let's see. Okay, and here I will paste some code. I have here prepared a special code that you will access it if when I link that code in the description, so that you could visit my website and get this code. Okay, so first of all, I have created an HTML. I have linked that file, which is the library. We have it over here, Particles. Then I will link the other file, which is custom.js. The file we have created here. Okay, great. Then we will need a DOM element, means an HTML empty element. I will create div, and I will call it, for example, I will give it an ID. I will call it Beehive. Okay, let's see, Beehive ID. Great. Then I will copy this element, this ID, and paste it over here, which would be here. As we understand in the previous lessons, this function is existing in the library file. So when we create a function like this, it will overwrite the variables in the particles in the main file. So this function receives three elements. The first of all is the ID that we have it here, and we have pasted the ID of ours, and the next we have the parameters that we want to manipulate it. So we have two parameters over here, particles and interactivity. These particles are the main particles over there. Then we have here the number, means the number of elements you want them. In our case, we need 70 element, means 70p in the screen, 70p. Okay, and then here we have the shape is image. We need it to be image. We could say circle, age, or whatever. We will know this in later. The image, the source of the image, we have it. In our case, it's p.png, which is over here. Then the width, the height of the image. The size of the element, we'll say it's 13, and it's randoms, means they will be, some of them are large and the others are small, but the maximum size is 30. Then we have linked. We don't need them to be linked. And the movement, we will enable the movement, and we will say it's the speed is 7. We could increase and decrease the speed from here. Then the direction from where to where, from top to down, down top, from top to left, top to right, and so on. Then we have here the interaction. It contacts, or it deals with the actions and the events. Over here we have only it will work in canvas, and when hover we need no action, and when click we need to push and mean to create 12 pages. Means when you click over here it will create 12 pages. Okay, so if you click many clicks it will create a lot of pages. Okay, now let's save it. Let's written here. If we run that element over here it will work, but the background is nothing. So let's go and click that element to be work, double click, and let's see what we will get. Okay, over here it's working, but we still have no background. So I'll go back and I'll see style, and I will send the background. Let's see style, and over here I will see let's see the ID, Beehive ID, and let's see background image, this background image, and I will see URL, and I will choose the image that we have it over here, which is background. I name it background. We'll see here background image. Save it. Let's also adjust the background size. Let's see background size, and let's see 100 pixel. 100% and 100%. Save it. Come and refresh. Okay, now it's working as we suggest. We could increase the speed from here, the custom place, and here we could increase the speed of the elements over there. Where is the speed? It's here. We could say, for example, 17. Let's see how's it gonna be. It will be so fast. Okay, also we could decrease it or increase it. Let's see, it's 7. And the direction we could say from top to left, from let's see from bottom, let's see from top, only top. I need them only to go to the top. Refresh, they will go only to the top, and you could control these elements as you need it. The number of elements over there, we could see, for example, 150. Means the number of pages over here will be a lot increased. We could increase it as we need it. So this was the lesson. Thanks for listening and watching, and see you in the next. Bye for now.